Tiffany Jameson here, back with another Rad Boost. And if you want more customers and buyers, because that's what we want, right? Buyers without being all weird and sounding all hypey and salesy, then you can't sell basic how-to information. When you sell basic how-to information, then you have to jump through too many hoops to compete in the marketplace, which is very crowded and is getting more crowded by the second. People can Google basic how-to information, and chances are they will find the person with the biggest audience and who can spend the most on ads. Side of creating more unnecessary competition for yourself, simply solve a problem. When you offer a specific solution to a specific problem, there's no fiery hoops. So yay! It's quite simple. So instead of how to date online, you would create something like how to write an online dating profile to attract quality men that you will actually want to date. See the difference? Be sure to get on the VIP list for the upcoming live workshop